What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So Bitcoin showing us a little bit of strength. We love to see it. Sitting at 27.3K, up 3% on the day. You see a market cap of 532 billion, 24-hour volume 17.92 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So Bitcoin is doing a lot right now. We're breaking the downsloping trend line of this wedge. Now we have been looking for this 5-wave move, which we have put in. So if we were to get rejected here, of course, this impulse may not be finished yet. Then we'd look for that wave 2 pullback. But the fact that we've seen 5 waves up is already a really strong sign that this is indeed the low, and we're going to see continuation to the upside. Now this push to the upside definitely may not be over, but if we do pull back from here, target zone would be 26.1K, the 50%, and 23.5K. If we look at the daily chart, this is really good. We're breaking out of the wedge. We're getting back above the daily EMAs, and we're looking good for continuation. Even if we see some pullback in the short term, retest the wedge, it does look likely that we are going to break out and see continuation to the upside. Bitcoin dominance, let me pop that open quickly here. This is just the weekly chart. We see continuation and we see the bullish cross, which is a bottoming signal that is yet to fail in the bear market. After we broke below the EMAs, when we got back above them, we had the bullish cross. We never failed to hold it. So I posted the Bitcoin dominance in my Discord today. As you can see, the Bitcoin dominance is absolutely exploding to the upside, which means the majority of the money is flowing into Bitcoin. That's why you're not seeing that much movement with the alts, because all the money right now is flowing into BTC. We have a beautiful triple bottom pattern. It's starting to break out, which is perfectly normal. At the beginning of an uptrend, especially if it's the beginning of a bull market, you see the majority of the money flowing into BTC first before it starts to trickle out into the alts. So the alts may suffer a little bit in the short term, but it's perfectly normal. All right, gang. So that's what we're looking for. If we pull back your target zone 25.3 to about 26.1K, but we can just continue to push up. Really strong sign that we're starting to break this wedge back above the daily EMAs. If we do see continuation to the upside, the next major resistance about 28.2K, but would be healthy to see that pull back in a wave 2 before seeing continuation up. We'll have to see how everything plays out. We're currently in 4 long trades right now. You can have a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis if you sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Up to 30,000 in bonuses on Bybit, up to 8,000 on Bitkit. Email me your sign-up email. Literally takes 2 minutes. Check out my full-length tutorials. You get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, HODL alt plays, Forex signals analysis as well. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. You can sign up to the Patreon link. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.